written a little line-to-line G-code cycle here for the part off and back chamfer of this spacer that we're machining. There isn't a whole lot of videos out there that show, you know, some good, clean part offs of a spacer or a washer, and so I thought I'd share this one. It's 4140 heat treat. I'm running 300 surface footage, and the initial plunge into the material is at a 5,000 feed rate, and I go a little bit further back in Z than what my final dimension is of 116 thousandths is the thickness of the spacer. And so I plunge down 100 thousandths, back up, and then come forward to accommodate, you know, the 45-degree chamfer, but I reduce the feed rate to 2 thousandths and feed in doing the 45 all the way down to 295, which the ID of this part's 3 inches. I'm just using a regular ISCAR parting tool, not a coolant induced tool, just pointing my coolant nozzles right at the insert and reducing the feed, and got really good results. Check it out. This one left a thin piece of stock. Look at that one. It left the stock on the face and parted off clean. That's pretty slick. So you can see this one right here has the piece of stock left on it, and just take my pliers, try to get it back in focus for you. We had a couple of them that parted off perfectly clean, just barely had to break the edge. But even this, you know, after you pull that burr off, I mean, it's very little to break an edge there. And I used a little carbide tip Cheviv deburring tool, and it cleans it up very well. This is the side that gets parted off, and it looks really well after it gets the edge broke. But these results are completely, you know, appropriate for a simple spacer. And yeah, that's it.